sounds of the silence that allows for my mind to run around with my ear up to the ground. I'm searching to behold the stories that I told when my back is to the world that was smiling when I turned. Somebody want from me. Staying where nobody supposed to be. Papa posted, being a wreck of emotions. Ready to go whenever you let me know. The road is long, so put the pedal to the flow. The enemy on my trail, my energy unavailable. I'ma tell him I send away, go. They wanna fly, I'ma drive to the top. I've been out of shape, thinking out of box. I'm an astronaut. I'm blasted off the planet, rock that caused catastrophe. And it matters more because I had it. Now I had, I thought about wreaking havoc on an opposition. Kinda shocking, they want a static with position. I'm automatic, quarterback, I ain't talking shit.